Hello friends, welcome to my educational channel. Now you are at your pet our care. Let me introduce myself first. I am Dr. Sudashini Dasanayakar, consultant veterinary surgeon from Sri Lanka. Hope you will gain sound knowledge from today's topic. Let me move on to the today's topic. Today our topic is benefits of vitamin B9 for your dog. Vitamin B9, also known as folic acid, that is synthetic form. Folate, this word came from Latin word folium, that means leaves. Vitamin B9 predominantly present in green leafy vegetables. Therefore, vitamin B9 also known as folate. Folacin, vitamin M, this vitamin present in monkeys. Therefore, this vitamin also known as vitamin M. Vitamin B9 is highly soluble in water, ethanol and methanol. Vitamin B9 is a member of vitamin B complex. It can be synthesized by intestinal microflora. Lucy Wills in 1931 observed pregnant women in India suffering from anemic condition. However, when they feed with brewer's yeast or marmite, they get cured. So later on they name this factor as Wills factor. Isolation of vitamin B9, Mitchell, Roger Williams and Esmond Emerson Snell isolated this vitamin in 1941 from spinach. Synthesis of vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 synthesized by Bob Stockstad, who lived between 1913 to 1995. He synthesized this vitamin in pure crystalline form in 1943. Its chemical formula C19H19N7O6. Its molecular weight 441.4 gram per mole. Its melting point is around 250 degrees Celsius. Vitamin B9 main dietary form is folate polyglutamate. Folate is the natural form. Folic acid, that is steroid glutamic acid, is the synthetic form. Difference between folates and folic acid. Folates are present in reduced form, but folic acid present in oxidized form. Folates found in natural foods, but folic acid is the synthetic form. Folates are present as polyglutamates. However, folic acid present as monoglutamate. Folates are less stable, but folic acid more stable than folates. Bioavailability of folates is less than folic acid. Structure, it consists of three moieties, that is pteridine ring conjugated with para-aminobenzoic acid by methylene bridge. Para-aminobenzoic acid in turn conjugated with glutamic residue via peptide 1. Digestion and absorption of vitamin B9 in the small intestinal lumen. Folate polyglutamate hydrolyzed into folate monoglutamate. That folate monoglutamate actively absorbed by enterocytes. In the enterocyte, folate monoglutamate can be undergo several chemical reactions and convert to dihydrofolate or tetrahydrofolate. However, all three forms of folate, that is folate monoglutamate, dihydrofolate or tetrahydrofolate, directly enter to portal circulation. Through the portal circulation, they go to the liver. In the liver, folate monoglutamate again undergo several reactions and convert to dihydrofolate, tetrahydrofolate and finally into 5-methyl tetrahydrofolate. 5-methyl tetrahydrofluorate transport throughout the body via blood. Folate monoglutamate, which present in the liver, some amount of this folate monoglutamate can be converted to polyglutamate and stored in the liver. Excretion of vitamin B9, it filtered by renal tubules. It actively reabsorbs during low intake and excretes via urine as metabolite of folic acid. Small amount can be excreted via feces. Functions of vitamin B9: it is an antioxidant. It prevents cell damage and prevents aging. It ensures cell growth and cellular division. Supports erythropoiesis, synthesizes RNA and DNA and gene repair. Supports homocysteine metabolism and control blood homocysteine level. Vitamin B9 synthesize neurotransmitter, build new proteins by utilizing amino acid. It supports healthy fetal development and neural development. Homocysteine metabolism. Homocysteine is an amino acid. In the presence of vitamin B9, homocysteine convert to methionine. When vitamin B9 deficiency occurs, homocysteine get accumulated in the blood. This homocysteine accumulation is associated with kidney, heart, skin diseases or arthritis. AAFCO 2014 recommendation for folic acid for all classes of dogs: 0.216 mg per kg of food. Causes for vitamin B9 deficiency: small intestinal diseases like inflammatory bowel disease, reduces vitamin absorption from the small intestine. Pancreatic insufficiency: in this condition it reduces digestion of the vitamin. Prolonged medication of certain drugs will react with vitamin and make it unavailable. Prolonged diuretic medication increases urine output, therefore release vitamin from the urine. However, low concentration of choline, methionine and vitamin B12 in the diet may lead to deficiency of folic acid. Drug interactions: prolonged usage of chloramphenicol, trimethoprim, phenobarbital and sulfasalzine may lead to vitamin B9 deficiency because those drugs may react with vitamin B9 and make them unavailable. Signs and symptoms of deficiency: weight loss, anemia, irritability, impaired fetal growth, cleft palate in newborn puppies and impaired growth rate. Folic acid is the synthetic form of vitamin B9. It is tasteless and odorless. Folic acid aqueous solutions are heat sensitive and sensitive to light. It appears as orange-yellow needle or platelets. Folic acid supplements are available in tablet form, gummies, capsules and syrup form. Indications of folic acid: pregnancy, because there is high demand in pregnancy, maldigestion, inflammatory bowel disease and pancreatic insufficiency. Vegetable sources that are rich in vitamin B9 are broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, squash and tomato juice. Fruits that are rich in vitamin B9 are bananas, papaya and oranges. Animal sources that are rich in vitamin B9 are liver, chicken goblets, that means chicken gizzard, heart and liver, kidney and eggs. Now we are at the end of the presentation. Hope you gain sound knowledge about vitamin B9 today. Please leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Meet you soon with another valuable episode. Until then, take care. Goodbye.